The Moon and the Lost Star. One peaceful night, the stars twinkled gently across the sky. But one little star wandered too far, dreaming of shining brighter than all the others. Soon, she looked around and saw only darkness. She whispered softly, "Where am I? Why is everything so quiet and cold?" High above, the moon noticed the missing sparkle and called out gently, "Little one, why are you so far from home?" The little star answered sadly, "I wanted to shine brighter, but now I'm lost." The moon smiled kindly. Even the smallest light shines beautifully when it stays where it belongs. Guided by the moon's soft glow, the little star slowly floated back to her spot in the sky. When she returned, her light sparkled even more beautifully, not because she wanted to outshine others, but because her heart was filled with peace and gratitude. Moral: true brightness comes from peace in your heart, not from trying to outshine others.